Hi everyone, and welcome to your practice. This will be a quick 10-minute practice, full body stretch to release any stress and tension that you may have. We're going to start in child's pose, so a little bit space between the knees, toes touching behind. Go ahead and walk your hands forward, keep the spine long. Feel free to rest here, maybe take your head to a block, or lower your head all the way down to the mat. Walk your fingers forward just a little bit to get a little more stretch in the spine, in the arms. And if you notice the hips coming up, see if you can drop the hips down towards the heels as much as possible. So creating as much length in the spine as possible. We take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale, create length. And as you exhale, release the body down towards your mat. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Allow the body to get heavy, to relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale, relax. See if you can keep the spine lengthening and low. And we're gonna walk the hands just outside, maybe outside the mat. Reach a little bit more through your left fingertips so you feel the stretch all along the left hand towards your left waist and hip. And you're gonna ground your left hip into the floor while reaching forward with the left fingertips. And then lower the head. Same thing, inhale. Focus on creating length and space in your left side body. Exhale, relax, move the body into that space. Inhale and exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale. Go ahead and lift the head up. We're gonna walk the arms straight through. See if you can keep the hips and spine low and just walk the arms out towards the left side. And it doesn't have to be so far. And then we're gonna reach with the left fingertips. Feel that stretch deepening. Keep that right hip lowering down towards the floor. And then when you're kind of in that space where you wanna stay, lower the head, connect to the breath. Inhale. Lengthen the right side body. Exhale, relax. Inhale, create space. Reach. Exhale, relax. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lift the head. Walk the hands back to center and very gently press yourself back up to sit on your heels. So you can continue sitting on your heels or come into any comfortable seated posture. We're gonna be here just for a minute or two. Relax the shoulders, place your hands on the thighs or the knees. Sit up tall. Take the right ear towards the right shoulder. And then slowly as you exhale, bring the chin toward the chest. Roll over to the left. Pause. Roll back forward. Over to the right. Connect the breath as you exhale. You're lowering, so go very slowly. And as you inhale, you come to the side. As you exhale, lower. And then as you inhale, you're lifting up to the side. And exhale, you're lowering the chin. Inhale, you're rolling up to the left. And once more. And back to center. Make a few circles with the shoulders. Backwards, forwards. And center. Inhale, lift the chest. Rock a little forward, look up. Exhale, you're gonna pull at the knees, round the spine, chin to the chest. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. We're looking to
Stretch the spine. Inhale, lifting up. Shoulders back. Exhale, round. Shoulder blades away from each other. Inhale, nice and deep breath. Feel how the spine feels today. And come to center. Come on now onto all fours. Get a little deeper stretch in the shoulders. See that your knees are underneath the hips, about hip distance apart. And we're gonna walk the hands forward. Keep the hips over the knees, and then begin to drop the chest down towards the floor. And if the chest doesn't reach today, that's okay. Maybe drop the head. You can also drop the head onto a block. You want to be able to relax into the stretch. The palms are actively pressing into the floor. And then release, release, release the chest down.
Look forward, look in front of you. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and upper back.
And if your arms are a little bit up, this is also great. You just want to keep dropping the chest, chest, chest down. Don't hold the breath. And lift up. We're going to walk the hands just a little bit back. Lower down onto the belly. Elbows underneath the shoulders. Palms press down into the mat. Lift the chest. And take 3 breaths here. Think about lengthening the spine. Press the hips into the mat. Lift the chest. Shoulders draw down. Face relaxed. Neck relaxed. And then release. Just open out the elbows to the sides. Bring the palms. Tuck your toes behind you. Come up onto your knees. And then lift the hips all the way up and back behind you, coming into downward facing dog. Pedal the legs out. We're gonna bring the right foot just a little bit in, and then with the left hand, hold onto the right ankle or anywhere on the leg that you can, and then use that hand to open and twist. Look underneath the right shoulder. Press firmly into the floor with the right hand. Use the left hand on the leg as leverage to help you twist. Breathe deeply. And release. Return the right foot just a little back, stretch it out. Step the left foot forward just a little bit. With your right hand anywhere, hold on to the left leg. So ankle, shin. Press into your left hand. Use your right hand as leverage and twist. Bring your chest underneath the right arm. Look up underneath your right shoulder. Feel the twist. Breathe deeply and release. Step your left foot back. Walk your hands towards your feet, and we're gonna stay here in a forward fold. You can keep some space between the feet. Inhale, lift up, lengthen the spine. We're gonna hold the elbows and reach the elbows down to the floor. Bend the knees deeply, relax the head.
See if you can relax the upper body. Head is heavy, arms are heavy. Sway a little from side to side.
And release. Take your hands to the floor. Bring your knees back down to the floor. Any comfortable seated position. And take the arms up overhead. Interlace the fingers, press the palms up, and reach over to the right. Back to center. Reach over to the left. And to center. Once more, both sides. Inhale, press up, lengthen the spine, and then bend. Come back to center and bend. Back to center. Give yourself a little twist. And we're good to go. Let me know how you feel in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you again soon.